With the rapid urbanization across the African continent today, one of the key goals of African governments is to offer quality and affordable housing to their people. Today, Rwanda is suffering from a delivery shortage in the sector and has been highly willing to bridge the gap. In this affordable housing sector, key conditions to succeed are to reunite, number one, a private developer driven by impact and willing to do well, and number two, public authorities driven by clear vision and a strong leadership will. Once these two conditions are fulfilled, we now get to the most important factor, which is actually achieving affordability. Key factors are an attractive regulatory environment, innovation allowing cost reduction, an abundant and skilled workforce, industrialization and local production of building materials, and finally, adequate financing opportunities for buyers and builders. In ADHI Rwanda, our motto is build more with less. Our technology is tailored to the local climate, geology and culture, and allows considerable cost and weight reduction. Indeed, we achieve an 80% reduction in weight and volume, yet delivering affordable, strong, long-lasting dream homes. Our innovation takes the local logistics and workforce realities into account to optimize delivery. Our patented technology allows not only a drastic cost reduction, but also an easy and straightforward building process. A building process that doesn't require expensive and heavy equipment, but easily usable hand tools. As of now, 55% of ADHI's construction materials are locally made with a target of above 70% in a near future. The training, skilling, and certification of our workforce is done through the ADHI Academy in partnership with the Rwandan Ministry of Education and TVET. Today, our first 100 trainees are halfway through to graduation and are in the process of building the first 240 housing units and their complete infrastructure. These trainees will then become our trainers and will contribute to the training of 7,500 trainees. With this training and industrialization, ADHI is aiming to reach a building capacity of 2,500 units per year. In the long run, we are accompanying most of our workforce to become self-employed contractors. Alongside affordability and social impact, ADHI's solution is green. Our holistic urban development approach includes retaining walls and hilly slope stabilization, using locally excavated software soils reinforced by recycled geosynthetics. It allows us not only to avoid evacuation, but also assures the disposal of excavated materials. Recycled plastics are used for stormwater and rain drainage. Retention of the water underground permits the ground above to be optimally used. Our domestic solid waste is transformed into biomassed RDF for combined heat and power generation. The cumulated savings in energy, water, and maintenance expenses alone could cover all property taxes for the buyer. Furthermore, the accessibility to climate change funding, which offers longer grace periods and reduced interest rates, facilitates the repayment of infrastructure loans. ADHI's affordable housing solution fulfills 14 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Thus, we have been awarded with an EDGE pre-certification. Green and affordable housing is not a dream, but a giant opportunity for Africa to boost growth, inclusion, and to provide wealth and well-being to our fastest growing populations. With ADHI, build more with less.